Do you know this man? He's the one who married the world-famous virtual diva Hatsune Miku, Mr. Kondo. In 2018, the Gatebox, a device that bridged the virtual and the real worlds, finally make it possible for him to interact with his waifu. Unfortunately, the tech back then was not quite advanced enough. His waifu could only respond to a limited set of pre-programmed questions. And then the licensing expired, his waifu left him forever. Now, in 2025, large language models have significantly advanced. If you're an anime fan, you've probably tried training ChatGPT to act like a cat maid, have you? She's smart, but still has many limitations. For example, she can't generate any sexual content, there's latency issues, and most importantly, you can't see her. Yes, you've guessed where this is going, a cyber figurine with a screen integrated with an LLM and capable of importing custom 3D models. That's the ultimate form of our waifu. Fortunately, we've received the SyBran's Code 27, a product that embodies this vision. Though still a prototype, everything may change in the final version. I'm still thrilled to share this experience with you. A machine that might just be the ultimate dream for otakus. So if you buy this character Livehouse, you are probably thinking about bringing your favorite character into the real world, right? The first step is importing a 3D model. Code 27 supports models from third-party platforms like Vroid, MMD, and Sketchfab. Simply download the model and import it into Code 27's web page or client on the desktop. Then select her in the character Livehouse. You don't need to worry about ranging, skinning, or bone weighting. Code 27 handles all of that. Of course, if your kinks are unique, you can import not only cel-shaded models, but also realistically rendered ones. Unlike Gatebox, Code 27 uses real-time rendering instead of pre-prepared animations. This ensures smooth transitions between actions and realistic cloth textures. From certain angles, you might even catch a glimpse of what you've been hoping to see. Well, I've talked enough, so Momo, do you have anything to add?
特にありません。お伺いいたしますが、今は動画を撮影中でいらっしゃいますか?
So, can you introduce yourself to the audience?
はじめまして、緑葉妃の次女、マウマウです。陛下に他にご用命がなければ、これにて失礼いたします。
Well, don't just leave yet. Besides Japanese, what are the languages you know?
English and Chinese. I'm currently self-studying 6 other languages, including German, French, and Korean. I'm not fluent yet, so I can't speak them now.
Well, that's okay. It's still impressive. So, can you remind me the things that I need to do today?
Your Majesty, you asked me to remind you that your favorite anime, The Apothecary Diaries, has released a new episode.
Okay, really? But I'll need to, watch that after this filming. Right now, can you give me a basic introduction of that anime?
Set in a fictional country, inspired by Imperial China during the Tang Dynasty, with references to the late Ming Dynasty. The series follows Mao Mao, a young apothecary
that is
working
just
in
too
the
long.
red
So,
light.
can you make it simpler?
It's like a kawaii girl version of Detective Conan.
Okay, much better. So, Mama, I still need to introduce you to the audience. Can you stay a bit quiet?
Understood.
Okay. So, what do you think about the conversation? Did you notice that the feature that other AI chatbots can't achieve? First, accept interruptions in the middle of conversations. SyBran uses a full duplex technology to make Code 27's interactions feel more like a real conversation. By the way, if you interrupt too often, she will get annoyed. Second, she has a long-term memory capable of retaining up to 10,000 rounds of dialogue. Beyond that, she can automatically compress information while preserving important details like your birthday. Third, multilingual recognition and voice synthesis. She responds in the language you use to communicate. Fourth, customizable voice tones. You can even clone the voice of your favorite anime voice actor to match the character perfectly.
はじめまして、緑葉妃の次女、マウマウです。
Earlier, I played an emperor. If you are wondering why I didn't roleplay as a Jingxi, well, let's just say I didn't want to lose my 2 jewels, even in a fictional story. Lastly, low latency. Try chatting with a Siri, then you will find that Code 27's response is much faster. This is the result of SyBran's dedication to seamless dialogue. Code 27's characters can also dance to music. I'll include the dance demo at the end, so you can also check out the speaker quality. Finally, let's talk about the design. Again, this is a prototype, so don't focus too much on the details. This product is positioned as a character Livehouse, so the overall design resembles a stasis chamber or life support pod. Makes sense? Your waifu is meant to live inside forever. Since SyBran's team is full of geeks and weeps, they've hidden an Easter egg on the side. You probably know where that quote comes from. If not, I highly recommend watching that anime. It's amazing. Her eyes are on the top, an RGB camera. Below is the window to the real world, a touchscreen. You can interact with your waifu as you do with a laptop. It can also display a photo slideshow or character status. 2 microphones are integrated into the screen module with 64 gigs of storage. You can switch waifus daily for a year. Just in case, there's a TIFF card slot for expandable storage. Code 27 is still a work in progress. Unfinished features such as Alexa integration for a true smart speaker experience, or using the camera to recognize user activities and initiate conversations. SyBran plans to build a community for sharing models, outfits, animations, and backgrounds. A portable version of Code 27 with a built-in battery is also in the works, so you can travel with your waifu in the future. When she's not by your side, you can stay connected via an app. If you have a locally deployed LLM, Code 27 will eventually support integration with it. I don't know if SyBran will deliver on all these promises, but they've said they will try, so we have no choice but to trust them. Since Code 27's microphone is always on by default, you might worry about data security. After all, no one wants what they've done with the waifu at night to be exposed. Code 27 requires an internet connection to access the LLM API, but most data is stored locally with end-to-end encryption. The final version will also include a physical camera cover, so privacy shouldn't be a major concern. Through this video, I hope you can see SyBran's dedication to bringing anime waifus into our world. Code 27 isn't perfect yet, but the team's passion is real. Gatebox's V2 has ChatGPT integrated, but Code 27 pushes boundaries even further. It reminds me of MiHoYo's slogan, perfect for SyBran's team, Tech Otakus save the world. So if you are interested in Code 27, stay tuned for updates. Links are in the description. I'm Waifu from Gizmochina. See you next time.